I was in the basement throwing the ball, playing with my dog, and I had a massive bleed in my right eye. And I was blind in that eye at that time. So the wife drove me to Madison. They are 24 hours on call. They always have a doctor on call. He knew I was diabetic. He could tell that it wasn't a detached retina. So he actually gave me an injection that night. And then it slowly got better. It took 3 or 4 weeks probably before it was better enough that he could see well enough in there to do a full laser.
Diabetes affects small blood vessels that are there in your retina. And with long-standing uncontrolled blood sugars, it causes damage to those blood vessels. And over a long time, these blood vessels could get clogged. Then that can cause more bleeding, and that can then cause scar tissue on the retina. It can even lead to permanent loss of vision in the eye.
There's very little that I can think of that would be worse than being totally blind. I know there are people that live full and wonderful lives that can't see, but nothing has ever terrified me more.
With these treatments, with the laser and the injections, we have been able to help him maintain his vision. He still enjoys 20/20 vision in each eye. He's able to be very successful at his work and lead a very productive life.
You can make a call, have someone call you back, and then talk you through it over the phone and figure out whether you need to be seen that night. And it's amazing that they're willing to do that.
Once that laser is done, it works well, sometimes even for the rest of their life. These laser treatments we have used for more than 30 years, so it's very, very successful and prevents somebody from having permanent vision loss.
The things that sometimes you take for granted, you realize what that would be like. And so I think you get a better realization, you get a better understanding of just how precious your health and your vision are when you go through an experience like that. I would say an above top shelf. Dr. Kulkarni especially, willing to not only see me, but actually treat me that night was a miracle.